Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to delete Tonkeeper wallet account in simple and easiest steps. I will give such a way that you all will understand after seeing it. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial lore. Let's go. First, you have to open the Tonkeeper application, and then you have to find the settings option and click on it. After that, you have to scroll down after that. You have to find Delete Tonkeeper account option and click on it. Now you have to tick on the I have a backup copy of the recovery phrase for Ton wallet and click on it, and then click on Delete Wallet Data, and then your account from the Tonkeeper is now successfully removed. Hope this video would have helped you. Believe me, no one can tell you an easier or better way than this on YouTube. If you still don't understand, then you can comment to me. I will definitely reply to your comment or make a video on it. I hope now you all understand that how to delete Tonkeeper wallet account. Permanently hope you will like the video, press the subscribe button and drop a comment. Thank you.